a nesting pair of Merlin Falcons halted a tree removal project at the Winter Street Cemetery. A nest, most likely with chicks, was high up in a pine tree that was due to be removed, along with several other trees that were posing a safety risk. After some of the trees were removed, the nest was discovered, and the town decided to wait until later in the summer or the fall to give the chicks time to leave the nest before continuing. They take turns watching the nest while the other goes out to find food, gather nesting material, or fight off would-be predators. The small Merlin Falcon will fly full speed and chase predators up to 7 times their size, such as these turkey vultures, engaging in aerial combat to push them away from the nest and keep their chicks safe.